हाय व्यूअर्स, वेलकम है आपका इस वीडियो में। और आज हमारे साथ हैं हमारे स्टूडेंट जिन्होंने हमारे यहाँ से किया इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्स। सो जानते हैं उनकी जर्नी और जानते हैं उनके नेम के बारे में। सो दिस इज़ सोनाक्षी एंड सोनाक्षी अपने बारे में थोड़ा सा बताएंगे। सो सोनाक्षी, सो टेल अस आवर व्यूअर्स दैट व्हाट आर यू डूइंग एंड व्हाट हैव यू डन इन स्टडिंग एंड वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम?
My name is Sonakshi Thakur and I passed. I gave the exam my 9th class and I am from Machar.
Okay, so Sonakshi, you have that you have done English speaking course from here, and so when did you start your journey as a student of English speaking students?
I start my journey during the summer vacations.
Okay, so how many months have you spent here so that your English level has been improved?
Around 3 or 4 months.
3 or 4 months. Okay, that's great. What do you think that? So, how much have you improved till now? When you came here first time, before that, what did you used to think about, right, English speaking? Like, I want to know about that.
Uh, Before, when I came here, I afraid in speaking in English in front of people. But now I am confident and speak in English.
Okay. So here is another question. You must have seen that is there any environment at your home, in your school, or especially in your village where people speak in English?
No, there is no environment.
There is no environment at your home or at in your village. So what about your school? So in your school, your batchmates or your teachers speak with you in English?
No.
Okay, they speak in Hindi. Okay, so suppose there is no environment, not in your village, not at your home, and also not in the school. I think hardly somebody or sometime or rarely speak with you in English, right?
Yes, sir.
So why did you think that okay, I should do English speaking course? What was your purpose?
Firstly, I want to be confident to speak in front of anybody. So from here, I can speak I can learn how to increase your confidence level.
Okay, so it means that you wanted to enhance your confidence level. Now it is improved or not? It is enhanced or not?
It is improved.
Okay, and except this, like first purpose is to enhance your confidence, and what are the other factors which that in which English helps you a lot?
In my studies, English help a lot me.
Okay, so suppose before coming here, how was your writing skill in English and how much it has improved now? Right now, are you able to write your questions on your own, or like now you take help from other sources?
When I didn't came here, I used to learn and copy the answers. But now I can read the chapter and make answers myself.
Now you make your answer on your own. What do you think that this is a good thing or not, that when you make your answers on your own, and it is good for the students or not?
It is good because when you make the answer yourself, it remember for a long time.
Yeah, it remember for a long time. And also I would say that because nowadays that in coming time, suppose after 10th, if you choose subjects like or a language that you want to do your plus 2 from English medium, so that helps you a lot, I think, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what do you think that how was the that because I have, when I was student and I wanted to learn how to speak in English, I tried a lot, online, offline, and also by by reading or from the textbook, but I couldn't succeed. So when you came here first time, and before that, have you ever tried to learn English speaking from other places before coming here or not?
No.
No, you didn't try it. Okay. So one more thing is here, that what do you think about the pattern or the style or the that the things and the courses, that how much it helps you and how it helps you?
It helps me very much in my studies, and it is a very good course if you want to build your confidence and the teaching style of the trainer are very good, and you can enjoy speaking course with fun.
Okay. Okay, what is the best part you want to say that in the course which you love to do the most of the time?
I love to do reading.
Okay, reading part is you like the most. Okay. How the reading is helping you like in speaking?
It helps me very much to pronounce the words correctly.
Okay, it helps you to pronunciation, right? To do the pronunciation, it helps you a lot. Okay. So one more thing that now you are going in the next class, right? So in next month. So what do you think that what is your purpose that in plus one class or plus two class, what subject will you take or which stream will you take?
I decide I take arts.
Okay, you take arts. Okay. So, and if somebody wants to learn how to speak in English, what do you want to say or him or her?
My message is don't focus on people's opinion. Start from today and practice for English speaking, and believe you in yourself and grow with your courage.
Yeah, that's great, guys. Because the people, right? Sometime I would say that most of the time they want to pull your leg, right? So if you want to enhance your communication skill, don't focus on them, right? Just focus on your own self, right? And see that what do you want to achieve in your life. I don't want to say that you must do English speaking course, but if the English is I would say that the problem or a hurdle in your career, so you must conquer it, right? You must learn how to speak in English so that your that educational journey it would be much better, and then when you start your professional life, your personal life, and at that time it helps you a lot, because English helped me a lot, it is helping me a lot, and I know very well that it will be helping me in my future too. So Sonakshi, I wish you very best of luck in your future, and I must say that keep connecting with us. So guys, so thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want to learn how to speak in English, we are going to start a new batch soon, and if you want to know about the course, you can call us on the giving number, and you can connect with us on WhatsApp or by calling. Thank you so much for watching this video.